In the last video, we discussed all about spider plants, a perfect air purifier plant approved by NASA and a beginner-friendly house plant as well. So today we will talk about its propagation methods in details with results. Welcome back friends, I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. Let's get started. Spider plants are one of the easiest house plants to grow and can thrive in small pots also, such as just a 4-inch pot. All the need is good indirect sunlight and water to thrive. And more interestingly, you can propagate them round the year, not just a spring or monsoon. And they are really easy to propagate from mother plants. So there are two methods to propagate spider plants from the mother plant. The first method is soil propagation method. All you need to do is just place a pot of moist soil next to the mother plant and pin the plantlets on the soil surface while the stem is still attached to the plant. You don't need to cut it while planting it, and keep the soil moist consistently. You can cut the connecting stem later on once you see the plant has settled, it's growing properly, and within 2 weeks you will see the result. And the second method is direct planting method. All you need to do is you can just simply cut the plantlets with the small roots which is already visible. You can collect it from these stems hanging with the plant. So if you don't see this kind of hanging plantlets in the spider plant, you need to wait because your plant is not mature enough or it's not getting enough sunlight to produce plantlets. So basically the first two methods of propagating a spider plant needs this kind of growth, right? You need to have plantlets with roots. So if your plant is not mature, it won't produce this kind of plantlets. So what you can do is you can always propagate your spider plants with the root division method. So once you collect the plantlets with the visible roots in it, you need to prepare potting mix for it, right? You can mix compost along with coco peat with the garden soil. It's very simple. Now your potting mix is ready and all you need to do is fill few pots with this potting mix, and before putting the mix into the pot, you need to put a layer of coconut husk or pebble or some sphagnum moss to cover the drainage hole. Once it's done, fill in all the pots with the potting mix. Press it gently and spray some water to make it moist, and then start planting your cuttings. Make sure to secure the roots in soil properly by pressing it gently. And after planting, water it thoroughly. Just remember to keep the soil moist always and keep the pot in a semi-shade area for a couple of days, and within few days you will see the results. I hope you found today's video helpful. Please stay connected. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more interesting videos, and share it with other plant lovers as well. So that's all for today friends, and I'll see you soon with one more interesting video. Bye-bye.